All right, so here we are. We have 10 different strategies available for trading right now. We are expanding this list as the time goes, but for now, 10 strategies is more than enough. We have complex strategies like pivot reversal strategy. We have easy strategies like moving average cross. So select whatever speaks to you, whatever you enjoy. You can try any of these, and let's start with the harder one, pivot reversal strategy. We selected. Next up is to look for an asset, and let's just look for the one with good payout. So just go through them and find 80% plus payout. The higher, the better. You want to make sure that you're risk managing, that you are not entering a trade that will put you on the back foot immediately. And Euro Swiss franc seems like the one we want to trade on. We're going to trade on 1 minute. So we select 1 minute, but you have access to 8 different time frames ranging between 1 minute and 1 day. So whatever you prefer trading, you can do that. Let's press it. Let's press start analysis. And there we have it. This is all we need to do. And there it is. We have a buy position. So let's place a buy position. I'm going to place 1,000 here. Wait for a little bit to see if the price dips, which it probably will because there is a level here. And we're going to see if we actually need to do it. I don't think we do. I think we just keep it as it is and the price actually goes up. Perfect. And just like that, we entering. And sellers defend the pivot strongly, forcing price below previous support. RSI at 42, MA aligning bearish. So nice and easy. And let's look at RSI. It's above 42. It's already actually climbed way over 42. It was over 42 over here. So we are actually looking very good here. And we are about to secure our first trade in 20 seconds, just like that. And you see how easily I've done this. I didn't perform any crazy analysis. I just followed the trade from the robot. I followed his analysis and I got myself a nice $850 of profit. This is what you can get by trading with this tool. Very simple, very accessible. You have a breakdown, you have a screenshot, understanding of what's going on, just like that, 850. Let's go ahead, select another strategy and do another trades. And let's hit up Bollinger Band strategy now. And same process, let's select an asset that we want to trade on. And we are once again going to be looking at the high payout one. This is just make it a rule of thumb every single time. Just look for good payout. Nothing else really matters as much as you can make money on any chart. However, if the payout is low, that is not going to be good for you because you are risking a lot of money for barely any profit, and that is not good. Start analysis, this will be a Bollinger Band strategy, so it's gonna utilize that indicator on TradingView and Pocket Option. It's directly integrated into both of these platforms, and we're gonna get a breakdown just like that. This is all there is to it. No complicated stuff. Once again, buy position. Let's drop it 1,000 and let's drop another 1,000 right here. The price will probably go down, and we're gonna, when that happens, we're gonna place another trade. And if you're trading on 1 minute, make sure that you're actually performing analysis over and over again. If, for example, you want to trade on the same chart after you've done your first trade, make sure to perform analysis once again. The situation changes pretty quickly. You want to make sure that you are updated on the analysis. And if you're trading on higher time frames, then of course you can place multiple trades even after the analysis. Ooh, that's a big drop right here. I'm going to place another 1,000 and another 1,000 right here. And we're not going to perform another analysis because this is, our trades are still pending, so we still have a chance to make all this money. But if these trades run out, if these first 2 trades run out, we are obviously going to be doing a fresh analysis after this. Ooh, this is so close. We're probably going to take a loss. No, we got that one. The volatility is increasing, so we lost that trade, unfortunately. But we still have 30 seconds left on these 2 trades, and this is going to secure a nice profitable trade. The second trade I placed a little bit higher, so that is unfortunate. However, we're still looking to make solid profit on this trade right here. And even if we lose, it happens sometimes. You always have to go into the market with the mindset that you might lose. Sometimes the trade just won't go through. Sometimes the price will spike. You have to be prepared for that. But this tool will definitely make your life easier and will help you. Ooh, this is gonna be, oof, this is so unfortunate. Ooh, yo. Now, this was really unfortunate. However, I'm not giving up. I want to do another trade right here. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Sometimes it happens. And just as I said that, we got actually hit pretty big here. 3 losses. This is $3,000. It's $2,200 that we lost, and now we're gonna have to get it all back. So let's place our 3 trades right here, and let's get our money back. And the price continues to go down, so we are gonna place the remaining money right here, $782. Let's drop it as well, and just like that, we're good. We're still obviously entering a buy position as suggested by the robot. At bullish engulfing candle forms at the middle band, pushing price towards the upper band. RSI rises from 52 to 63, showing momentum. EMA slope confirms the uptrend. Nice and easy analysis. We were really unfortunate on our last trade. We got eliminated in the last second, but this time we're definitely gonna get all the profit back, get all the money back with the analysis from our tool. And let's observe this. 10 seconds left. The price does go up here as suggested by the analysis, so we're about to make our money. Hopefully we don't get a spike, sudden spike here. Ooh, the price does drop down a little bit here. And do we get it? Yes, we do get the 2. Oof, ooh, okay, we still lost 1. However, we are still on track on making solid profit here. And the final 2 trades are definitely gonna go through. There it is. There's the first one. And we are so back on track. Just like that. With 1 trade, we made all the money back, and we're once again continuing. So you can see that there is some trade that's gonna be harder to perform than the others. However, you can just find the strategy that you like. So let's go, for example, and do MACD now. And same thing again. Let's look through the asset here. 85, we can work with that. Let's select it. Let's select 1 minute. Let's press start analysis, and we wait. The analysis comes in, buy position. Oh, I wanted to place 1,000, didn't account for that. Let's place another 1,000 here and drop another 1,000 because the price is at the level here, so we should see rejection. Obviously come in here. MACD bullish crossover takes place during an uptrend with histogram pushing high. Price remains above both EMAs and RSI at 66 signals continued buyer dominance. Nice analysis once again. The price was above 60. Now it's dropping a little bit with this massive candle here, but we are going to secure this win, and this is going to be very, very big for us and very good trade. And I'm already sensing it. This once again was a perfect execution as we entered right at the strong support level, and this will yield us all the profit that we were looking to get. And just like that, in under 10 minutes, we secure all the trades, we make the money. We lost a pretty big sum. However, we are recouping everything. We're making all the money back, and we're profiting big time right now. This robot is not a solution to every single issue. This robot is not a magic tool. It's gonna make mistakes. Sometimes you're gonna take losses, but here we are, $4,000 of profit with under 10 minutes in the market, and we are so good right now.